Hey guys, happy Friday to you. We got another kit to look at. This is monograms. Joe Nemechek, Burger King, Monte Carlo. Dated 1995. Let's take a look. I hate opening up a sealed kit, but it is what it is. Oh, and it's molded in yellow. Here's our Goodyear tires. Our chrome sheet, our chrome tree. The rims, our header, or our valve covers, our intake, radiator and fan, air cleaner, etc. Here's our glass. Here's our instructions. Here's our decal sheet, which is in pretty decent shape other than it's very yellow. But I'm not using these. I'm going to build something completely different. Here's our hood, our wheel backs, our firewall, top of our dash, fuel cell, radiator hoses. Here's our engine, our front suspension, rear suspension, oil pan, wiring harness, pulleys, steering wheel shocks, springs, our pedals, and our exhaust. Here's our roll cage, a header. These I'm guessing are for the air vents. Here's our front bumper, roll cage, our other headers, more tubing for the inside, our steering column. Here's our rear suspension, our dry shaft, some more wiring harness stuff. Here's our chassis. I love these old monogram NASCAR kits. Here's our racing seat. And here's our Monte Carlo body. And I like that the rear bumper and the spoiler are molded in. That's really nice. I like that it's not chrome that I have to glue on. Same with the back bumper. I like that. But I'm going to be building, I'm going to be using these decals. I'm going to be doing the Dale Earnhardt Jr. All-Star game from 2001. So that's the version of this car I'm going to build. And these decals are mint. So can't wait to do that. It's gonna look really good when it's done. I get it all painted white. Yeah, so there we go. 1995 Chevrolet Monte Carlo 124 scale. Here's a little update on the shrimping boat that I'm building for my son. Just working on getting the wood part painted, and then I'm gonna weather the shit out of it so it looks dirty and used. So that's just kind of where I'm at on it. Should look good when I'm done and I get all the rigging done on it and stuff. It'll be for him. He likes Forrest Gump, so I figured he would like it, the shrimp boat. But that's going to do it for me today, guys. Hopefully I earned your like on this video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.